Wells Fargo's earnings are out. Apple wants to become your savings bank. Samsung to drop Google as its search engine. And China releases their version of ChatGPT. All of these in this week's weekly business briefs. Wells Fargo sets aside more money for potential bad loans, including office loans. According to the Wall Street Journal, the bank added $643 million to its reserves to cover potential loan losses. Wells Fargo said it reflected an increase in reserves for commercial real estate loans, particularly office loan. It also includes reserves for credit card and auto loans. Since 2020, we've been talking about this. Commercial loans and auto loans, especially office space, are in danger with the banks. The bank's revenue told two stories. Net interest income jumped 45% from a year ago. It was helped by the Fed's aggressive rate hiking campaign, which allowed banks to charge more on loans. Non-interest income, on the other hand, fell 13%. Wells Fargo said earlier this year it would dramatically scale back its mortgage business, which was once the largest in the US. In other news, Apple launches its savings account with 4.15 interest rate. How you like them apples? According to the CNBC, Apple on Monday launches Apple Card savings account with 4.15 annual percentage yield. It requires no minimum deposit balances, Apple said, and users can set up an account from their wallet app on their iPhones, baby. Users may have an Apple Card in order to open the savings account. The company said in its press release that all daily cash rewards earned through the Apple Card will automatically be deposited to the savings account. Daily Cash is an Apple Card reward program that offers up to 3% back on purchases. Users can change where their daily cash is deposited at any time and can also add funds from their bank accounts to build their earnings. Apple is going into the banking business. I suppose if you have enough money and you're one of the largest corporations in the world, I guess the next opportunity is banking. I always say, he who has the money makes the rules. Next up, Google shares dropped 4% after a report of panic within Google over Samsung considering switching to Bing, according to Gizmodo. Google employees reportedly found out Samsung was considering switching to Bing last month, and the New York Times reported that according to internal messages, there was panic within Google walls. Alphabet Inc.'s shares dropped by nearly 4% on Monday after reports surfaced that Samsung is considering moving away from the widely popular search engine, according to the outlet. The move signifies rising support for companies that are ahead of in the AI race. If Google is replaced, it stands to lose $3 billion out of its $162 billion in annual revenue, internal messages say. And lastly, Chinese tech giant Alibaba to release ChatGPT rival. Let's see what the Chinese will do with that. According to the DW, Chinese firm Alibaba has introduced Tongyi Qingwen, an AI-powered language model similar to GPT. At the same time, Beijing revealed a draft law that new AI must reflect social values. The new AI model, Tongyi Qingwen, which means truth from a thousand questions, can draft invitation letters, summarize meeting notes, and advise users on what type of makeup to purchase. And this has been your weekly business brief. I'll see you guys next week. And remember to like and subscribe to keep up with the latest business updates. Peace.